Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about 5 master moves that will help you enhance your agility skills. So, let's dive right in. First up, we have the broad jump. This move is all about power and momentum. To master it, make sure your first step after the jump is landing with 2 feet. Remember, you're aiming for distance here, not height. Next on our list is the quick shuttle run. This drill will help improve your speed and agility in a straight line. To do it effectively, make sure to land with 2 feet each time and keep your head up throughout the entire movement. Moving on to the pro agility run. This drill focuses on side-to-side movement. Start by facing forward, then take small steps as you move around the cones. Your goal is to complete this move as quickly as possible without losing balance or form. Now let's talk about box jumps, a fantastic move for developing lower body strength and power. When jumping onto the box from a standing position, make sure to use both arms for added height and explode upwards with your legs. And remember, safety first. Always step down 1 foot at a time when jumping back down from the box to avoid injuries. Hey there, hustlers, want to take your lead generation to the next level? Fan Buster is the secret weapon you've been looking for. It's an amazing tool that can automate your tasks and save you hours every week. And guess what? By using my special link in the description below, you can support this channel at no extra cost to you. So, click the link, get started with Fan Buster, and watch your productivity soar. Let's continue the main topic. Last but not least, let's discuss ladder drills, an excellent way to improve footwork and coordination in a straight line. Start by placing 1 foot in each square of the ladder, and make sure your head stays up throughout the movement. Remember to keep moving forward and focus on smooth transitions between steps for maximum benefit. There you have it, folks. These 5 moves will help take your agility skills to the next level. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button for more great content like this one.